Oh man, that's the Ausable River produces the big ones, man. Whoa, oh man, look at that fish, end mounted already. I love it. If you think the fishing's great, you should see that. Welcome, I'm Rick Tush. I'm with the Tush Real Estate Team. I'm here today at 8471 DEFORE Street in Port Franks and on the beautiful Ausable River. Come in and take a look at this fabulous home with me. I grew up on this river with my grandparents' place. We had a 12-foot aluminum boat. We cruised this river every summer for I don't know how long, my whole childhood. Probably one of the best spots in the world to be as far as living and growing up. Every season brings new visitors. March is when the tundra swans make their journey across the Carolinas to the Arctic. You can hear them honking right from the yard. If you enjoy bike riding, there's many opportunities to ride from your house all the way to Grand Bend, Pine Reef, Provincial Park. Some of the most beautiful beaches in the world are just located minutes from here. What an opportunity to have a boat. Walk out, get in your boat, drive down the river, catch a beautiful sunset, go fishing. Great opportunity to have a chance to live out here. This house has municipal water, natural gas, beautiful gazebo. What a great setting. Everything you can possibly need. Thank you so much for taking this tour with me today. 8471 DEFORE Street, Port Franks, on the river. Take a look. Talk to you soon.